Well, welcome back to Olly's Farm Weekly. It's been another busy week on the farm, and you'll find out why when you watch today's video. Trevor has had me flat out this week. He's been on the phone to me every night. Why isn't this done? Why isn't that done? Have you sorted out the silage? Where's the silage clamp? When's this tractor coming? When's this mower coming? When's this? He's talking about ploughs. He's talking about he wants a combine next. Then he wants a blooming. We've got to change all the farm sheds. The whole farm's got to be revamped. And he's been shouted at me all week. But anyway. It's all a bit of fun, it's all positive, and yeah, we're moving in the right direction, so enjoy. Alright, today it's Sunday. We've just had some more bales baled up today by the contractor, and I've just come down with the bale trailer and the front loader here. Just going to get the bales bike and then we'll pick some bales up. Now, getting the bales on the trailer is the easy part. This is the most difficult part, pulling out to the road, because it's quite a busy road to be fair, and people, they just don't slow down. Everyone's in too big of a rush these days, and you just got to creep your way out. We're off. Wish people would just take the time to just let farmers get out. You know, this time of the year, you know, pretty busy, and just trying to get on, you know, like everyone else in the world. And yeah, just wish people would understand that harvest time. There we go. Works really well with the front loader low down when I take the spike off, so it gives me better visibility. It's time to say thanks to this week's video sponsor. So this is Silotype. These are the Pro 1800s. You get about 300 meters of film per reel, and there's 20% more film in each reel, which is really good. So we've been using these for a good while now. Good silage wrap, and it lasts a lot longer on the wrapper. Really, really valuable stuff, and it's been really worthwhile stuff. So check it out. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And this pallet should last a week or two for us. This week's video sponsor. Right. Right, that'll do us for today. Do it all over again tomorrow. Alright, today it's the next day. We're still carting some of the bales. Had another 80 odd baled up today. So I've come down here and literally trying to get through them. I was up wrapping till about 11 last night, and yeah, back at it again today. So hopefully we can get this bit finished off today, although I think it'll be finished tomorrow. And then I found out some good news last night. We gave an offer on the 50k tractor. There's a farmer who's selling it. It was an arable farmer who's selling the tractor, and they've accepted our offer. So we bought the mystery 50k tractor, and it will be coming home hopefully in the next couple of weeks. He just needs it for another week of spraying, and then it will be coming home. And then the chrome mower, I found out we've got a 16-foot trailer in the shed I forgot about, and that might do the job. So I'll go and have a measure up, because I thought our trailer was 14 foot, but it's actually 16, so that might be able to pick the mower up. And then we've got the baler, which we're looking at the moment, which will be coming home as well, hopefully in the next few weeks as well. So I've also got to go look at 20 Aberdeen Angus's, because I want some Aberdeen Angus's for my own, so I'm after 20 heifers. And then I've got some Lego blocks coming from Lewis Concrete. I've got a Teagle straw blower coming in September, and I've also got Manitou coming round to price up a MLT 635 against my 630. And we've got the 50k tractor hopefully coming to help with this job. So the sooner that can come home really the better, and we might even put it on the baler as well. So try and get this lot finished today anyway. It's just really manic this year. Haven't been able to stop at all, so just flat out getting the job done and just getting on with everything. So.
Today it's Tuesday, here in the yard with Trev, and we're talking about the yard, aren't we, Trev?
Yes.
So what are we going to do with the yard?
We're going to move all that rubbish up there to make a straw stack.
Right, and what about the fodder beat? Where's that going to go?
Fodder beat's going on the concrete.
Right, so that'll be winter time.
Yeah.
And can I just say, what do you think of the stacking over there?
Not too bad at all.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, that's right. You could have gone up a little higher, but you're all right for space.
All right, thank you as well for sharpening the blade on the
No
Bale
problem.
wrapper.
No problem.
And you got a few little plans, haven't you, for this yard? What you want?
Yeah, we'll sort it out together.
All right, okay. And we'll tidy up this bit. We'll tidy up this bit down here.
Yeah, we got main tanks tomorrow. Sort that lot out up there.
Oh yeah, well, we're going to put some more silage in, aren't we?
Yeah.
We got another silage stack going in.
A big one. Another big one. I reckon we're going to move them trailers tomorrow and have a real sort out tomorrow.
Yeah, we will.
Take them up the field out of the way and
yeah, it's going to be transformed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll transform it all. So I'll put some Lego blocks in here, hopefully. Then that's where the fodder beat's going to go in.
You won't have time for Lego blocks. I'm going to put a straw stack in.
Oh, so you want to put a... Everyone's put a straw stack in, but I want to just put Lego blocks in. But what do you reckon? I think Lego blocks will go in really well here.
You might get, if I come, straw stack comes dead line down here, you might get some on the other side.
Yeah.
Well, how many acres of what's that we got?
Well, I think there'll be a couple 100 ton, 200 or 300 ton of fodder beat. Normally comes up to where that end of that bale trailer is. Normally.
Don't you heat them up?
No, just with an 18 tonner.
You just tip what's on in the heat and don't heat them up.
No.
Well, hey, that's your problem, isn't
Yeah,
it?
but then you'll cut them up, won't you, if you heat them up?
No.
Oh, right. There we go.
They want our 8-ton trailer for corn.
Yeah, we do want that. We do. Right, I'll bet.
Cut some soil down at the moment, so going to fill that hole up. And that's the soil on there we want.
Oh, you want that soil off there? Oh, right, okay.
Take that in Marsh and tip it in that fucking hole before winter.
All right, well, I've got to get the rest of these wrapped up for today.
Yeah.
So I'll go for wrapping.
So the next thing that's coming on will be nearly as big as that. I think you better hire a smaller one.
Yeah, I think we better.
I know what you are, a lead foot tractor.
Speed merchant.
All right, it's now coming up to 11, and I'm just got the last 20 odd bales coming off, and we're back in the yard. Started nearly 80 today, and then I was obviously wrapping them this evening. So it's all going pretty well. If anyone's wondering why I got the beacons on, it's so I don't crash into it at night, the tractor, because when you get tired, you forget the tractor's there sometimes in the dark. So that's why I've left the lights on it for anyone who's asking. And yeah, like I say, we are getting there. So the mower will hopefully be coming end of the week. But once we get that, we will be set up pretty well, and sort of starting to get going really once we get the mower, and we can get making some silage again. So it's not going too badly. Alright, today is Wednesday, the day after we did all the silage, and unfortunately it's absolutely chucking it down. There he is.
What have you been up to today, Trevor?
We've been log splitting and tidying up today.
Yeah, and
Cleared all this lot today. Cleared all the machines and everything. That's going tomorrow.
the silage wrap,
Yeah.
taking that to recycling centre,
Yeah, we get some more boxes for this to clear this all up and that up.
spud crates.
And then turn around, we've got an oak tree there we're cutting up next week. And that's going through the splitter. And that'll be gone. And then all this area will be ready for our next silage clamp, what's coming and what we're doing. With our new baler and stuff. Yeah.
And you're going to be the baler driver.
I am going to be a big baler driver, yeah. Yeah. And cutter and this, that and the other. Then we got the turner to come out. That's in the sheds. So
Yeah.
it'll be cutter, roller upper and baler. So I'll be dropping them all off to hook on each one of them.
Then we've got the 50k tractor coming as well.
Yeah, that's okay. I ain't gonna be sitting still. One minute I'll be cutting, next minute I'll be rolling up, next minute I'll be baling. And this will be coming and carting bales on.
Yeah.
So that poor thing is gonna be hooked on every fucking thing I can think of next 3 weeks time.
Yeah. It's all going on.
That's all going on. And then we got to get some more wrap for our wrapper.
Yeah, we've got to get some more. I've been going through pallets of that wrap, plastic wrap.
Yeah, we got to get some wrap for the baler that's coming
Oh,
up.
net wrap, yeah, wrap, yeah.
And then we'll be away.
All right. Well, we won't be able to sleep tonight, will we? Because that baler's coming.
No, I'll think of my fish prison around there.
Oh yeah, you got red lips, didn't you? Yeah.
That's as long as my arm. I swim around there at 30 miles an hour last night around the fish pond, round.
Alright, today it's Thursday on the farm, and today we're picking up the waste plastic from last year, had it in a pile, so it will be loaded into the dump trailer and it will be taken down to Ella Industrial Estate near Beccles, near the heliport, and it will be put into a recycling centre at B&B Skips. And anyway, the farm gets a ticket, we get rid of it, all works well, so it's got to be loaded up into the trailer this morning.
It's a man's baler, not a boy's baler.
Alright guys, so we're just here with Matt from PEX.
Hi there.
And Matt's just showing us how the mower goes, how it all works, and yeah, so we fire it up then, Matt?
Yeah, so we'll go.
Yeah. And we're away. Do I need to adjust the linkage or anything like that?
No, probably if we do a few mow a little bit and then we'll jump out and have a look.
Yeah.
See that it's done.
Makes a hell of a good noise, punctual.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
you never get bored of that.
Yeah. I could probably swing round it, if I go around like that.
Yeah, you can do.
Yeah. Sort of a job's that done.
Just make sure it's an even cut all the way through, but
Yeah.
looks to be doing right to be fair.
So if I just leave it in float, you'll be once it's all set up in the linkage.
Yes, yeah. Drop it to flow each time we go into another length.
Yeah.
Should be alright.
And then we put the plate on there. If you just show us that plate, sorry.
Yeah, so that just makes the crop come into the centre of the swath, opposed to when you come down your next row, it doesn't get caught up.
Yeah. And that just goes up. That we just bolted that on there, didn't we, Trev? Yeah. Awesome. Right, it's a lot later in the day now. It's about 7 o'clock on Friday night, and I've come down here because on Monday we're going to take the mower down to the marshes round here and start mowing, and then we'll do the baling next week. But before I can do that, I've got these shears which Trevor recommended for me to buy. They're brilliant. They've got a ratchet mechanism, and I'm just spending the evening trimming all the branches so the mirrors and stuff don't get smashed on the tractors. But there we go, one of those things. Take out some really big branches with this cutter. Alright, today is Saturday. I've just been rowing up this little bit we cut yesterday, this morning, and I'm just going to set the baler up on this morning, hopefully. So just get the PGO on, got my baler box, that's got to go on a windscreen. I'm waiting for a mount for that. So here we go. Put that big up there. 39% on the bale, it's making. So here we get on, 70% now. Got to clean my rear windscreen and I'll have this back in the yard. Okay, so today we've been having a go on the baler, just set it up. I was trying to set it up for next week when we make some proper silage. And I think one of the horse girls got a video of the first bale which dropped out, which was really good. Just managed to set the tension. Thanks to our neighbour Richard for helping us set it up. He came on down and helped me set the net wrap up. And yeah, it works really well now. So I'm down here this evening doing some more hedge trimming by hand. I've got my
got this hat in the car, crone hat, which you buy a mower, you get a free hat as well. So got my crone hat, and miles and miles of hedges to cut with this by hand. So I think for this winter we've really got to look at a hedge cutter. I can see myself being on a hedge cutter all winter actually, or myself or Trevor, and yes. Catch you on the next one. Click here to subscribe to the channel. And click here to watch another Olly's Farm video.